Welcome to Organizing Your Inbox with Jenna. I know students are receiving a really high volume of emails and it's a little bit overwhelming and a little bit confusing. So I'm going to give you a few tips on how to organize your inbox to make it a little bit easier for you. I'm going to teach you how to create labels and filters. So when you look at your inbox, it's easy for you to tell what's important, what's from your faculty, and what's from Gateway staff. So the first thing we want to do is create some labels, which you can do over here on your left-hand menu. If you scroll down, you will get to an option that says Create New Label. You want to click on that. I'm going to show you a label for Gateway staff. So this is a label I'm going to create to show you how this works, and I would advise you to make one for all of your teachers also. So I'm going to create a label that's going to be for emails from Gateway staff. I'm going to hit create. You scroll up, you're going to make sure it's there, so there it is. I'm going to change the color, which I can do by clicking on these three dots, and I'm going to make it purple because I like the color purple. So there you see a label for Gateway staff. Right now there's no conversations with this label. You can add conversations two ways. The first way is manually. So you can click on any email and say, go to your little tag, and you can label it as Gateway staff and hit apply, and you'll see that your Gateway staff label is applied there. The other way you can do it, if you don't want to do the organizing yourself, and I would recommend not doing the organizing yourself, let's automate it, is you can make a filter. So up here you can click on your settings. You're going to click See All Settings, and here's the settings for all of your Gmail options. We are going to go to Filters. We're going to create a new filter. Super simple. There's a lot of options, but you only need to fill one. So I'm going to create a filter for emails from me, jglazer@qcc.mass.edu. And I'm going to hit Create Filter. And then it's going to give me a bunch of options. So if you see an email, if Gmail sees an email now from jglazer, what do you want it to do? Archive it right away. That means you won't see it at all. Mark it as read, star it. We're going to apply the label Gateway staff. You could also send me right to your trash. I would not recommend that. You can give it a category. You can do a bunch of different things. I'm going to do apply label. So I hit create filter. Now we have a filter. If an email comes from jglazer, we're going to apply the label Gateway staff. Now we're going to see if it worked. So I'm going to send an email, test email. And we're going to see how that works. So now you see this email, test email that I just sent from me comes in with the label of Gateway staff.